Dear friends, hope all are doing fine. After a long time, this time today I'm recording one the video. So the same our regular strategy, Williams fractal strategy only. So you can just go through with the minute details. So I will explain each and everything how we have taken the trade today. So from the starting to end, just go through the video. With this video you can get very good knowledge uh, with how we're going to use the Williams fractal, alligator, and as well as 5 EMA, as well as 15 EMA, and also oscillator, how it will going to help, and accelerator indicator, how it will going to help, and also the P's are also how it is helping for our trade. This all those indicator how we are using that complete detail I will going to discuss today. Don't skip and watch continuously. Now you are seeing in the screen Nifty 50, the 5-minute chart. So you can see that the first candle I am just marking, first 5-minute candle I am marking top and bottom. We'll have to wait the closing of the first 5-minute candle. The first 5-minute candle closed near 24,479 around. Okay. So now if you see the second candle, which is showing the bullishness, which is engulfing from the first candle. So that is a signal of today bullishness. So the same way you can identify all the alligator lines are bottom of the candle. Everything is top. And you can see 15 EMA, 5 EMA, everything is in bottom and the candle is crossing above all those lines. That means we are clearly, which is indicating that which is in bullish sign. And also you can see the PSR parabolics are also indicating the same thing. So and there is a previous day fractal also got breakout, means previous day if you see yesterday there are 3 o'clock as well as 2:20, the both fractal 5-minute fractal has got broken. So with that we can come to the conclusion that we will going to either we can buy CE side or sell in the PE side. That is what today's our scenario. So present today's means current situation. Okay. So if you see in the Awesome oscillator also, Awesome oscillator is in the always in the means all the Awesome oscillator bars are histogram bars are above the zero line. The above the zero line means we should go only for the means C by sell side or C buy side or P sell side only we'll have to go. We should not go in the reverse direction, which is bullishness, showing bullishness. Same way, accelerator indicator also showing the same momentum, means bullish momentum. So altogether we can go for, actually as per our strategy, what we used to do is we used to do only selling. So those who want to do the buying, they can do the buying of C side. So now I will show both the things in the P chart, because now that spot is around 24,479. That means we will consider 24,500 PE and CE. We can open the chart, both chart. Now you can see here 24,500 CE as well as 24,500 PE, both chart I have opened. First I will explain in the PE chart, because this only I took the entry. So first 5-minute candle closed around 140 to 140. Once it is closing, what I am putting, I am putting the stop loss order, because stop loss sell order means around 140. Around 140 I am putting the stop loss sell order, because second candle is opening near 146, but we are not selling near 146. We are waiting for the candle breakout, because this is also, you see the previous day 15 minute 3 o'clock fractal, which is also around 145, the 145, that is around 145. This is also a 145, it is it's a fractal is there. And here you can see this accelerator indicator is slightly reversing, green red signal it is giving, and this also giving red signal. In the 920 candle it is giving the red signal. So now I am here, I am putting the 140, I am putting the sell side, and once it is triggered, means around 920 it has got triggered. Once again I am waiting for, immediately I am waiting for, I am putting the after putting the 140, I am putting the stop loss in the red line around 167. I am risking around 127, sorry, 27 point. I am risking 127 point because this is the full candle is around the candle top is 620, 167. So now 140 I entered. So immediately second candle has come down to 127. So and third candle is come down to 113. So once it is coming down, immediately I am changing the this one, means target as well as stop loss. So you see here this stop loss from the 167. I am immediately next candle I am putting around 153. So next I am putting my stop loss. Next again I am shifting to 142. So 142 means still it is near to the cost. Then again it is going down. So again I am shifting to this trailing stop loss. I am shifting to the 130 level. So now we are in the profit, around 10 point profit. Again this is going, this is going. Now here there is a signal. If you see here, this is a thing normally which used to happen. Now we are in the 10 point profit. Now we are putting the trailing stop loss around 130. Whereas this candle here formed green candle. So if it is green candle is happening, we should not change the trailing stop loss in the green candle. So this may get reversed once again. So if it is getting reversed, we'll have to come out from the means 10 point profit, or else if it is going, if it is next candle is forming red, then we can go with, we can change it to here. If you see here 1118 I am now 1118 I am putting. So now if you see, this is the green candle. So now I am not changing the trailing stop loss. I am putting in the I am keeping the 1118 only. I am keeping the trailing 142 1118. Now next candle got red. So once it is getting red, then again I am putting here. I am putting here means around 106. So 106. So if 106, now this candle is red, and third candle means next candle around 955 candle got stopped. Means around 142, 106 we booked around near, how much we booked? Near about we booked 34 point. We booked 34 points from 142, from 140 to 106. Okay. We booked 30 point. This moment we booked around 30 point. Okay. In this moment we booked around 30 point. Okay. Now it has got stopped. Okay. Now what we will have to see here one thing you can find out here. So this awesome oscillator totally only making the green bar, even though this stopped out, it's going making the red bar. But whereas awesome oscillator, if you see here, awesome oscillator in 945 candle itself made the green signal. Means green, it is already got the green signal. That means there is a chance of getting reversal. So once the accelerated indicator is changing the direction, then we'll have to keep our stop loss very tight, so that if it is getting reverse also, we can book the available profit. That is what we did today. Okay, this is the one thing we completed. This one trade we completed. Once afterwards, if you see in the uh, CE side, CE side, if you see, there was a continuously, there was a means sideway movement, and this also, this indicate means also oscillator is also in the top is only, it is only slightly, if you see now, the trend means it's slowly, it is getting down. Same way, accelerator indicator also made the bottom, means it's already came down. If you see here it's already got reversed, this area got reversed. So that means here fractal has formed. Once, what I am doing here, so here what I'm doing here, this area, first fractal it has formed. First fractal is formed 1119. So here I am putting the stop loss sell order. It is not triggered. Again, I am changing here 1121. It is next fractal has happened here. Then again I am putting the stop loss sell order. So because this is actually, this is slowly, it is coming down. Now this is the slowly, this direction is changing. That is why I am putting the stop loss sell order, because this is also the very long time consolidation is happening. Either bottom or top, either side it can move. That is what our prediction. So if you see again, next, this area, this candle is already formed, means around 9 11:15 candle to 123 has got this thing. So now this practice is also not broken here. I'm waited here because till means here, till here I waited. There is an 11:15, there is a huge breakdown, means 123 my order as it got triggered. Immediately this big candle has been made. Here one thing we'll have to see, one thing, such type of this big candle, whenever it is happening, we should not wait even a minute. We should not see any indicator or anything. Immediately we'll have to try to trial. Means 123 we made na, it came up to around 60, it has came, but we cannot able to fully, we cannot able to capture. At least up to this area we can able to capture. Even though, means up to this area means this area means 75, means 123 minus 75 means near about 48 point we can capture. But whereas some of the people would have missed, they would have waited for this, whether it is going further down or not. Again, if you see, this candle is reversing, getting reversing. When once it is getting reversing, such type of things, what you can do, one thing, out of this full long candle, at least you can change the trailing stop loss 50% of this candle. Around, means 123, around 90, 96, you can 95, you can keep it as a 50%. Once it is getting 50% reversal, there is a chance of further reversal. That is why we can keep trailing stop loss here. Once this candle has formed as a green, so once it is a green, as a formed as a green, and we cannot able to further wait, because this is a very big candle. So if it is small candle, slowly it is coming, we can wait. But it is a very big candle, and once it is forming green candle, then there is no need to wait. We can put the trailing stop loss up to the green candle top. If it is breaking, then there is a chance of reversal. So 83 means 123 minus 83. That means near about 40 point. Here we have captured near about 40 point easily. Here you can see booked 40 points. Here we have booked 40 points. Here we have booked 34 points. So these are all the things. So based on our strategy, based on our setup, if you are keeping patience, we are waiting, then there is a chance of booking the profit. So the learning is, we'll have to patiently, we'll have to wait. If you are waiting, automatically we can able to capture. This is the thing we have made it. Okay. Further, if you see in the C side, Further, there is no breakout because this is again getting reversal. You see, this is direction is changing. Direction is changing. If you see, direction is changing. So such a type of area we should not enter, and we should not enter. If you see here also, here there is a direction is changing. Here, as per the strategy, we can put the trailing stop loss, means trailing stop loss entry order. We can put here as a around 85. We can put the entry because this every area it is showing, but whereas awesome oscillator already got reversed, means here awesome oscillator got reversed. In this situation also we will not take the after 40 point. Here in the C side there is no further trade. You cannot further, you cannot able to take any trade, even though if any risky player, if they want to take one more method is there. One more method, how it is one more method, you see here, this is the thing, means this is the reversal has happened. After continuous reversal there is a red bar has happened. Red bar happened means so there is a chance of reversal, but here there is a fractal has been made, but this fractal also above the alligator. The above the alligator means we will not be able to take the risk. If it is sometimes if risky terror, maybe 10, 5, 10 points they can book, but such type of risk we should not take. We should keep patiently, we have to wait based on our setup if it is happening, because this is, you see here you see here there is a, means you can just, I will put a mark here. Here if you see, here there is a, means fractal is there, but whereas which that fractal is above the alligator. So when we are doing the selling, we want below the alligator. So that is why here. So I have some oscillator, means accelerator indicator is forming here, means you see this this indicator is going direction, but whereas also oscillator is going other way around. So this is the totally contrary, means contra trade is there. That is why such type of risk we will not take in the risk this thing. If you see in the P side further, P side also, if you see there is P side always, it's a, all the have some oscillator indicators are in the top, and this here also there is small crossover is there, but after crossover there is a small breakout here. If you see this small breakout based on this thing, here we can put one small trade we can put it there, but you see here there is a crossover, and next awesome oscillator is supporting. So here we can enter around 138 we can enter, but after entering immediately we'll have to put the next stop loss around near 5 point or something. Then again I put here, this is a fractal top 120 I put it, then again it has come down, then again it's come down, I put either stop loss around here, you see 106. So I entered around 129 and 106. That means 23 points. Here we have booked around 23 points, and once again we booked points, 23 points we booked. So now further there is no signal is giving. So here P side 23 plus 34. 23 plus 34, it's means 54, 54, 57. Here 140 to 57 plus 40, total 97 point. 97 point is very super. Means today we have made 97 point, means it's a super. That means profit today. So this is totally based on the our indicators. All the indicators properly we'll have to see, and based on the indicators, based on the our setup, we'll have to wait and see the trade. If it is trades are generating, then we'll have to enter. If it is not generating, we should not enter. I hope you will enjoy this trade. And once again, I'll record this one in the live chat also, live how it is happening. That also I will record. That separately I will record it. So you just keep watch once again. And if any doubt is there, you just ping me in comment box. I will just explain. Thank you.